In this video, you will learn how to sync external audio and video in Premiere Pro along with some valuable tips from my over 5 years of video editing experience. After creating a project file, adjusting the sequence settings, first drag and drop the video file along with the audio. You can see the audio waveforms like this if the sound is recorded. If the waveform is not showing, enable it by going to the timeline display settings, then choose show audio waveform option. Now select both audio clips along with the clip and right click. Here choose the synchronize option. A pop-up will come up like this with different options. I make it very easy for you. Choose the audio track channel option and select the track with a number. I usually keep the raw audio in audio track 1 and external audio in track 2. Then click on OK. It processes that and the clips are synchronized perfectly. You can mute the audio of the other track and listen by looking at the video to see if it is perfectly synced or not. Almost 100% it syncs perfectly. After the sync, delete the audio file that you don't want or you can disable it. Even if you are working with multiple audio tracks, keep this selection and numbering of the audio tracks make it easy to sync perfectly. In case the audio from the camera is not recorded, then you need to manually adjust by moving frame by frame initially. For that, my tip is make sure you clap while recording the video. So it's going to be very easy to sync the external audio. That's it. This is how you can sync external audio and video in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like this video if this tutorial helped you, and also subscribe to the channel for more video editing and YouTube related topic videos.